Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, go to the Airtable website and sign into your account. Once you have it open in your web browser, you're ready to start building your custom dashboard. Your first step is to look for the Create button. Click it to begin making something tailored to your needs. After clicking Create, select Build App on your own and you will be taken to this page. You'll see an option for an untitled base. This is where you can give your base a meaningful name so it's easy to identify as your projects grow. Next, open the Interfaces tab. Once you enter the Interfaces area, click on Build It Yourself. You will then see a button labeled Build an Interface. Clicking this starts the actual construction of your dashboard. It helps to have a concept or final goal in mind so you can structure everything more effectively. After choosing this option, type in the name you want for your custom dashboard. Once the name is set, click Next to move forward. You'll now be presented with different view options. Take a moment to choose the view that best fits the way you want your data to appear. When you've selected your preferred view, follow the prompts and click Next once again. Now it's time for the final touches. Review your interface and make sure everything aligns with your vision. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Finish to complete the process, and that's it. So that is how you can create a custom dashboard in Airtable. So that's all for this video. Thanks.